Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Beetle trunk. First, locate the release lever inside the car, often near the driver's seat or door panel. Alternatively, you can use your key to unlock the trunk from the outside, directly at the lock cylinder. Always check for an emergency release mechanism, especially if you're having trouble with the primary methods. We'll cover these steps in more detail, ensuring you can access your trunk easily. Many VW Beetles feature an internal trunk release lever, typically found on the floorboard to the left of the driver's seat or sometimes on the driver's side door panel. Once located, simply pull this lever firmly upwards. You should hear a distinct click as the trunk unlatches. Always make sure your car is safely in park before attempting to open the trunk from inside the cabin. If your Beetle has an external lock cylinder on the trunk lid, you can use your car key to open it. Insert the key fully into the lock. Depending on your model, you'll turn the key either clockwise or counterclockwise to unlock the latch. Sometimes, applying a little gentle pressure on the trunk lid while turning the key can help if the mechanism is a bit stiff. This method provides direct access. If you're ever in a bind, many Beetles have an emergency release accessible from the rear seat, usually a small glow-in-the-dark handle. For smooth operation, it's a good idea to periodically lubricate the lock mechanism with a silicone spray. This helps prevent stiffness and ensures your trunk opens reliably every time. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Keeping your car fresh is just as important as keeping it functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.